Welcome to Emily's first day at work. Waking up at home, talking to Dad.
Good morning, Dad. Today is my first day at the new job. I'm so excited, but a bit nervous too.
Morning, Emily. That's normal to feel nervous on the first day. What time do you need to leave?
I have to be there by 9 o'clock. The office is downtown, so I'll take a taxi.
Smart choice. Have you prepared your outfit and bag already? Don't forget your lunch.
Yes, I picked a nice blouse and skirt last night. My bag has my resume and notebook inside.
Great job. Remember to smile and be yourself. People will like you right away.
Thanks, Dad. What if I make a mistake? I'm worried about that.
Everyone makes mistakes at first. Just learn from them and keep going.
You're right. I feel better now. My heart is beating fast.
Haha, that's the excitement. Eat some breakfast before you go, okay?
I will. Cereal and fruit sound good. Do you want some too?
Sure, let's eat together. Tell me more about this job.
It's an assistant role at a marketing company. I'll help with projects and meetings.
Sounds fun. Marketing means promoting products, right? Like ads on TV.
Yes, exactly. What does promoting mean again? Is it like showing off?
Promoting means making something known to more people to sell it better.
Oh, I see. Thanks for explaining. I'm ready to promote myself today.
You go, girl. Call me if you need anything during the day.
I will, Dad. Wish me luck. Hugs before I get ready.
Good luck, Emily. Big hug. You'll do amazing.
Thanks. Now, time to shower and dress up. See you later.
Bye for now. Make it a great day.
In the taxi, talking to the driver.
Hello, sir. Please take me to the downtown office district on Main Street.
Sure thing, miss. First time going there? You look a bit anxious.
Yes, it's my first day at work. I'm excited, but my stomach feels funny.
Butterflies in your stomach? That's common for new jobs.
Butterflies? What do you mean by that? Is it a saying?
It means feeling nervous, like butterflies flying inside you.
Oh, funny. Yes, I have butterflies. How long will the ride take?
About 20 minutes if traffic is light. What's your job?
I'm a marketing assistant. I'll help with ads and ideas.
Cool. Marketing is creative. Ever driven a taxi before? It's fun too.
No, but it seems adventurous. You meet many people every day.
Exactly. Some tell great stories. What's your name, by the way?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. What's yours?
Call me Jack. Pleasure's mine. Nervous about meeting the boss?
A little. I hope he's nice. What if I forget names?
Just ask again politely. People understand on first days.
Good tip, Jack. Look, the city looks so alive this morning.
Yeah, mornings are the best. Fewer crowds, fresh start.
I agree. Oh, there's my building coming up. Thank you.
Here we are. Good luck, Emily. Break a leg.
Break a leg? That sounds bad. What does it mean?
It means good luck in show business, but for anything now.
Got it. Thanks, Jack. Here's the fare. Bye.
Take care. You'll rock it.
At the reception, talking to the receptionist.
Good morning. I'm Emily, here for my first day as marketing assistant.
Welcome, Emily. I'm Alex. Let me check your details.
Thank you. The building is so big and shiny inside.
It is impressive. Your office is on the 5th floor.
Okay, how do I get there? Is there a map?
Take the elevator right over there. Press button 5.
Got it. Who should I meet first? My boss?
Yes, Mr. Thompson. He'll show you around.
I'm a bit shaky. Any advice for first days?
Relax and ask questions. Everyone was new once.
That's comforting. What does shaky mean? Like trembling?
Yes, feeling unsteady from nerves. You'll be fine.
Haha, thanks. Oh, I need a badge or something?
Here's your temporary ID. Wear it visible.
Perfect. It has my name on it already.
We prepare ahead. Any other questions before you go up?
What's the company culture like? Friendly?
Very friendly. Team lunches and fun events often.
Sounds great. I'm excited now. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic first day.
I will try. See you later. Maybe at lunch?
Sure. Good luck up there.
Meeting the boss, talking to Mr. Thompson.
Hello, Mr. Thompson. I'm Emily, the new marketing assistant.
Ah, Emily. Welcome aboard. Come in, have a seat.
Thank you. Your office has a great view of the city.
It does. Helps with creative thinking. Ready for today?
Yes, but a little overwhelmed. What's first on the agenda?
We'll tour the office, then meet the team.
Sounds good. What does agenda mean exactly?
Agenda is a list of things to do or discuss.
Oh, like a plan. Got it. What's my main role?
You'll assist with campaigns, research, and reports.
Campaigns? Like advertising projects?
Yes, exactly. Promoting products to customers.
I'm eager to learn. Any tips for success here?
Be punctual, communicate well, and stay organized.
Punctual means on time, right? I'll remember that.
Correct. You're quick. Let's start the tour now.
Okay. My legs feel wobbly from excitement.
That's the spirit. Follow me.
Lead the way. This is going to be fun.
Indeed. Welcome to the team, Emily.
Thanks. I feel part of it already.
Lunch break, talking to colleague Mike.
Hi, are you Mike? Mr. Thompson said to join you for lunch.
Yes, that's me. Sit down, Emily. How's your first morning?
It's going well, but busy. So many new faces.
I bet. What do you think of the team so far?
Everyone seems nice. The work looks interesting too.
It is. Try the sandwich. It's my favorite here.
Sure, looks yummy. What's in it? Turkey?
Turkey, cheese, and veggies. Healthy and tasty.
Good choice. Tell me about your role.
I'm a designer. I create visuals for campaigns.
Visuals like pictures and graphics?
Yes. What about you? Assistant, right?
Yep, I'll help with ideas and planning.
Cool. Any hobbies outside work to break the ice?
I love reading books. What does break the ice mean?
It means starting a conversation to make it comfortable.
Clever. I also like hiking on weekends.
Me too. We should plan a team hike sometime.
That would be fun. Oh, time flies. Lunch is almost over.
Yeah, back to work. Nice chatting, Emily.
Same here. See you around the office.
Definitely. Good luck with the afternoon.
First task, talking to mentor Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Mr. Thompson said you're my mentor today.
That's right, Emily. Ready for your first task?
Yes, what do I need to do?
Research competitors for our new ad campaign.
Competitors, like other companies selling similar things?
Exactly. Find their strengths and weaknesses.
Okay, how do I start? Use the internet?
Yes, search online. Take notes on this sheet.
Got it. This computer is fast and new.
It is. Any questions before you begin?
What if I find something confusing? Ask you?
Of course, I'm here to help.
Thanks. Oh, what's a strength in business?
Strength means something they're good at, like quality products.
Understood. Starting now. This is exciting.
Great attitude. I'll check back in 30 minutes. Okay. Typing away. Found some info already. Good progress. Share what you have. One competitor has low prices but poor reviews. Excellent observation. Keep going. Will do. Haha, learning so much. You're a natural. Proud of you.
End of the day. Talking to colleague Tom.
Hey, Tom, what a long but good first day.
Hi, Emily. How did it go overall?
Tiring but fun. I learned a lot.
That's typical. Any highlights from today?
Meeting everyone and doing my first research.
Sounds productive. Ready to head home?
Yes, catching the bus. You?
Driving. Want a ride? It's on my way.
Really? That would be nice, thanks.
No problem. What surprised you most?
How friendly the team is. No stress.
We're like a family here. You'll fit in.
I hope so. Oh, what's highlight mean?
Highlight is the best part of something.
Ah, yes. My highlight was lunch chat.
Food always wins. Let's go.
Okay, bye office. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be even better.
I believe it. Thanks for the ride, Tom.
Anytime. Safe travels home.
You too. What an adventure today.
What an exciting first day at work for Emily. Keep practicing English with more fun stories like this. Thank you.